Welcome to Easy English World.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to Easy English World. Today we have a very special and practical conversation that will help you speak English naturally and confidently. The topic is, talk about your day. You will listen to a realistic conversation between James and Mia, full of emotions, pauses, and real-life situations. This lesson will help you talk about your daily life, express feelings and experiences, ask and answer follow-up questions naturally. So, relax, listen carefully, and try to repeat after them. Let's begin.
Good morning, Mia. How are you today?
Good morning, James. I'm okay. A little tired, to be honest.
Oh, I see. You look a bit tired. Did you have a long day?
Yes, it was quite long. Not bad, but just busy.
That sounds like a real day. Well, today I'd like to talk about your day. Just a normal day. Is that okay?
Yes, of course. That sounds interesting.
Let's start from the morning. What time did you wake up today?
I woke up at around 6:30 a.m. Actually, I didn't want to wake up. My alarm rang and I turned it off 2 times.
That's very relatable. What made you finally get up?
I remembered I had an important meeting today. So I thought, okay, Mia, you have to get up now.
That's a good motivation. What did you do after waking up?
First, I checked my phone. I know it's a bad habit, but I always do that.
Many people do. What did you check?
Messages, emails, and social media for a few minutes. Then I got out of bed and made some coffee.
Coffee is important. How do you like your coffee?
Simple. Just black coffee, no sugar. It helps me wake up faster.
Nice. What did you do while drinking your coffee?
I sat by the window. It was quiet, and the weather was a bit cold. I really liked that moment. It felt peaceful.
That sounds like a calm start. Did the day stay calm?
Not really. After that, everything became fast and busy.
Tell me more about that.
I started working at 8 a.m. I had many emails to reply to. Then I had a meeting at 10 a.m.
How was the meeting?
Honestly, I was a bit nervous
Why?
because I had to present my ideas. And sometimes I worry that my English is not perfect.
That's completely normal. What happened during the meeting?
At first, I spoke slowly. I was careful with my words. But after a few minutes, I felt more confident.
That's great. What helped you feel confident?
I think people were listening carefully. They were kind. No one interrupted me. That made me feel comfortable.
That's very important. Did everything go well?
Yes! Actually, my manager said, "Good job, Mia." That made me really happy.
That must have felt amazing.
Yes, it really changed my mood.
Was there any difficult moment during your day?
Yes, there was one.
What happened?
In the afternoon, around 3 p.m., I had too much work. I felt stressed. My head was full.
What did you do?
At first, I tried to continue working, but I couldn't focus. So I decided to take a short break.
That's a smart decision. What did you do during your break?
I went outside for a walk. Just 10 minutes. I didn't use my phone. I just walked and breathed.
Did it help?
Yes, a lot. When I came back, I felt calmer and more focused.
That's a great example. Sometimes small breaks make a big difference. Let's imagine a situation. What if your day went completely wrong? Like everything failed?
That's a tough situation.
Yes. What would you do?
First, I would probably feel frustrated, maybe even a bit sad.
That's honest.
But then, I would stop and think, okay, what can I control? I would focus on one small task and start again.
That's a strong mindset.
Also, I would talk to someone, maybe a friend or a colleague. Talking helps me feel better.
That's very important. Do you think talking about your day helps your mental health?
Yes, absolutely. When I talk about my day, I understand my feelings better.
Let's talk about your evening. What did you do after work?
After work, I felt tired, but also satisfied. I went home, took a shower, and changed into comfortable clothes.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes. Then I cooked a simple dinner, pasta with vegetables.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Sometimes. Not when I'm very tired. Yes, I watched a short TV show and then called my sister.
Fair enough. Did you do anything else? What did you talk about?
We talked about our day. Just simple things. But it felt nice.
If you think about your whole day, how do you feel?
I feel proud. It wasn't perfect, but I did my best.
That's a beautiful answer. What did you learn today?
I learned that confidence grows step by step. And also, taking breaks is important.
Very true. Thank you, Mia. That was a very honest and meaningful conversation.
Thank you, James. I enjoyed talking about my day.
I'm sure many people will learn from your story.